Hello, Bowling for Socialism students. This week we'll be viewing Moore's movie Sicko and discussing the healthcare crisis in America. In addition, we'll be studying two popular styles of argumentative writing, the position and the proposal genres. For this video segment, I will walk you through the highlights of the week so you know the readings, viewings, and assignments. The first thing you will see is a list of possible topic and genre ideas from the film, which we will look at in more detail later. The first label is for the proposal genre. You'll notice that I first have the PowerPoint for you so you know how to structure a proposal essay. Essentially, it goes like this. X is broken. Here's how it is broken, and here's how I plan to fix it. This week, for example, addresses the healthcare crisis in America, so one would show where it has problems and how to remedy it. Then, two readings can be found: Reforming Schools in PDF format, which suggests that financial aid should be linked to testing, and a link to Grades for Aid, an article that covers a senator's plan to base food assistance on whether or not a student performs up to a certain academic standard. Poor grades means a cut to welfare funding for the parents. The next label is for position, readings, and resources. First, you will notice the PowerPoint, which explains the genre for you. This is the classic argumentative essay arguing for or against X. For example, one might argue in favor of universal health care after viewing Sicko this week. Also, you'll notice that sample essays are offered for you, which I'll detail in the assignment section below. One argues in favor of a comprehensive sex ed program in high school. Another argues against Walmart. The Prager essay argues against making smoking a moral issue, naming it a health issue instead. And the Right Wing Lie article points out that Trump might be the real fake news, not the news. The next subheading looks at supplemental readings related to the healthcare issue and Sicko and so forth and so on. These are all related to healthcare crisis in one way or another. They'll be addressed in more detail in another video. For now, know that you may use them to supplement your responses to the healthcare issues. Finally, we have reached, the class activities and assignments section. Detailed instructions can be found under each assignment Dropbox. First, you'll notice a link to John Green's YouTube page. View this clip and then post your response. In particular, pay attention to his explanation of inelastic demand. Our system, unlike the single payer in all the other industrialized countries, does not have a built-in way to control the costs. The next assignment is linked to the Grades for Aid article. That up there for you. The next assignment is linked to the Grades for Aid article, where you can get a chance to respond to his concept of cutting welfare to families if their kids struggle in school. Then you will see the Dropbox for the position and proposal readings. Finally, you will find the Dropbox for the Sicko film response. The film was produced before the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, if you will, which remedied some of the maladies found in our healthcare system. Enjoy the week, and please contact me if you have any questions or concerns.